Meta just dropped a bombshell in AI. Their new method, DeepConf, didn't just pass the AIME 2025 math exam, it nearly aced it with 99.9% accuracy, using a fraction of the compute. This could change reasoning AI forever. Let's dive in. Reasoning has always been the holy grail of artificial intelligence. While today's large language models are powerful, they've often struggled with consistent, high-level reasoning, especially in math, logic puzzles, or multi-step problem-solving. Meta's new breakthrough, DeepConf, might have reset those limits. Unlike brute force approaches where models try thousands of reasoning paths and waste tokens, DeepConf works smarter. It teaches the AI to trust its own confidence signals and prune unnecessary steps. This is what allowed Meta's open-source GPT-OSS 120B to solve problems at Olympiad difficulty, practically at human level, and with incredible efficiency. DeepConf stands for Deep Confidence Reasoning. The idea is deceptively simple. Instead of relying on endless trial and error, the model evaluates its internal certainty at each step. Think of it like a human solving a tough math problem. If you're confident about a step, you don't recheck it 10 times. But if you're uncertain, you might branch out and double-check possibilities. DeepConf brings this same intuition to machines. Traditional LLMs generate multiple chains of thought, often overproducing tokens. DeepConf models monitor their own confidence at each reasoning step, pruning wasteful branches. This leads to faster solutions, lower compute costs, and higher accuracy. Meta didn't just test DeepConf in the lab, they plugged it into their open-source model, GPT-OSS 120B, and set it loose on the AIME 2025 exam. For context, AIME, American Invitational Mathematics Examination, is a math contest that only the top high schoolers in the US qualify for. It's designed to stretch even Olympiad-level students. Historically, no AI model has ever come close to reliably outperforming top human scores on AIME. Now comes the jaw-dropping part. GPT-OSS 120B with DeepConf scored 99.9%. Not only that, it used up to 85% fewer tokens compared to traditional reasoning methods. This means solving smarter, faster, and cheaper. This is the equivalent of a student finishing an exam with nearly every answer correct, while writing less than half the work. Most people assume AI is powerful because it can brute force through millions of possibilities. That's true, but it's also wasteful. Imagine running a marathon while checking every side street just to make sure you're still on track. You'll eventually get to the finish line, but you'll waste tons of time and energy. DeepConf changes the game. By using confidence signals, the model sticks to paths that are statistically reliable. It avoids spiraling into low-confidence detours. This not only reduces tokens, but also reduces hallucinations. In other words, DeepConf helps AI act more like an expert human, deliberate, confident, and precise. This isn't just about solving math problems. Reasoning is central to everything in AI. Whether it's diagnosing diseases, coding complex software, or simulating physics, strong reasoning separates good AI from human-level AI. The significance here is threefold. Efficiency. Cutting 85% of tokens means huge compute savings. Models can run on smaller hardware with less cost. Accuracy. 99.9% on a reasoning exam proves AI can go beyond language fluency to real problem solving. Scalability. DeepConf is plug and play. It can be layered onto existing large language models. This means any LLM, whether open source or proprietary, could theoretically gain these reasoning superpowers without retraining from scratch. So where does this breakthrough actually hit the real world? Let's break it down. Education and tutoring. AI can now guide students through Olympiad-level math with near-perfect reasoning. Imagine personalized tutors available worldwide, accessible even on low-cost devices thanks to efficiency gains. Scientific research. From theoretical physics to chemistry simulations, researchers spend years working through reasoning chains. DeepConf-enabled models could assist in formulating proofs, solving equations, and exploring new scientific frontiers. Finance and strategy. Financial modeling and decision-making often involve hundreds of conditional steps. With better reasoning, AI could become a core advisor for risk management and strategic planning. Software development. Coding agents often get stuck in loops, hallucinate functions, or overgenerate debugging steps. Confidence-driven reasoning can streamline code generation, making AI pair programmers vastly more reliable. Everyday AI use, even consumer chatbots, whether in customer service or personal assistance, can benefit. Instead of over-explaining or wandering off topic, DeepConf helps them stay sharp, concise, and accurate. Perhaps the most exciting part. This isn't locked away in some proprietary system. Meta made DeepConf work with GPT-OSS 120B, an open-source model. That means developers, startups, and independent researchers can experiment with it right now. Unlike closed-door advancements, this opens the door to crowdsourced improvements, new startups building reasoning-powered apps, wider academic collaboration. This is crucial because OpenAI research accelerates faster than siloed, corporate-only breakthroughs. Let's zoom out. Why does DeepConf feel like a turning point? A new benchmark. Passing language tests was step one. Passing Olympiad-level reasoning at near-perfect accuracy signals that AI is breaking into domains once thought untouchable. Efficiency revolution. AI progress has often been tied to bigger and bigger models. DeepConf shows we can get smarter without getting larger. Human-level collaboration. With reasoning this strong, AI can act less like a tool and more like a partner. Researchers, students, and professionals might soon collaborate with AI that thinks almost like a peer. The next competitive edge. For companies and governments, this efficiency plus accuracy combo could be the difference between lagging behind or leading in AI development. Meta's DeepConf isn't just another AI upgrade. It's a fundamental shift in how machines think. By trusting confidence instead of brute force, AI models like GPT-OSS 120B are now solving Olympiad-level math problems with human-level precision at a fraction of the cost. And because it's open source, this isn't just Meta's win. It could be the whole world's. So the big question is, if AI can now reason like this, what's the next human skill it will master?
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.